Hello, myself Bini and registration number is 015 CS203. Today I am going to explain you about some of the basic functions, basic query of SQL, which will cover aggregate function, group by and order by, and built-in functions. So, first query is about how many students are members in the library. So for that we can use the command count for that. So select count member number from membership table. It will tell how many members are there in the library. So count, and function will help us to count how many members are there. So next command is totally how many books have been issued to the student. So to select count book number from book, it will say how many books are there, so that a student can issue it. So next command is what is the average price of the books in the library. So by using the AVG aggregate function, we can calculate the average of the book. Select AVG price from book. It will show what is the average price of the book. Now next is to find the maximum price of the book in the library. So select max, which is aggregate function, to find the maximum price from the book. It will show which is the maximum price in the book table. So next is to find the total cost of books in the library. Select sum price from book. It will show the total total price of the book, total sum of price of the books which is present in the library. Now next command is display all the details of the records from students whose name start with A. Probably there is no student which name starts with A, so we will check with K as one student is there whose name starts with K. So the query is select star from students where student name like will be used, which will help us to find whose name starts with K and with any number of alphabets afterwards. So this percentage will help us, that it shows that the first name should be start with K and afterwards any number of alphabets or whichever alphabets want, it can come. So this is the query, and it will display all the student name, student detail, department, and the member number. So our next query is to list the book number, book name from book table, and the result should be in the descending and the ascending order of the number of book details. So first, using the book number, we have to arrange it. So select book number, book name from book, order by book number in ascending order. It will arrange the book number in the ascending order, as we can see in this. So by this we can do it, and for the descending, we just have to change the descending with the ES function. So it will show in the descending order. So next command is to find the distinct authors. To find the distinct authors of books in the library. For that, just we have to use the distinct keyword. Select distinct author from book. It will show the distinct authors, what are authors of the book. So now next is the display month between this. If anybody has issued the book, we have to display the meaning of the question. So ISS record from issue date, where issue date between 1 January and 1 August. There only one issue date is there, 12 April 2014. So the next question is find the total number of books borrowed by the student whose membership ID is 1567. We have to use the count function, as we have to find the total of total books. So select count star from issue record where member number equal to 1567. It will show only one book is issued by this member number. So our next question is to use the character function. Init cap, lower and the uppercase. Okay, so we will display all the student name in first init cap. It means the first letter should be capital and otherwise followed by lowercase. Now in the lowercase, all the alphabets should be the lowercase, and in the uppercase, all the alphabets should be in the uppercase. So select init cap from student. It will show the letter of the student, first letter of the student as capital and followed by small letter, and in the lower, all will be in the lower, and in the upper, all the students' name will be in the uppercase. Okay. The next question is to display the books according to the alphabetical order. Yeah. Select book name from book order by book name in the ascending order. So here is the query. It will show all the details in the ascending order. So now we have to use our numerical function of floor, yes, round and truncate. So first we'll use the round. We'll round the 57.5 from dual, so it will become 58. Truncate will remove the last 0.5 and will display simple this. And we should note, then here we can see 57.5, then also 57.4, then 57, 57.9, 57, 57.44, then also 57 from there. The APS function, it will remove the negative sign. If the value is before also in positive, it will display in the positive. If the value which we are providing is in negative, then it will convert it into the positive value. And for the floor, if 57.4, then it will be simple 57. 57.9, it will be 57. Then we have which book is purchased most recently. Display the purchase with more recently. Now next question is total number of books for each author. To find the total number of books for each author, so it will be like select count as book number. This count book number, it will display, these all counts will be displayed in number of books, then category, and from the book group by category. So if Kathy Senior has 1, then Silver will have 2, Tom White having 1, Frank has having this, Morris Anno is having 1 book. The next command is to display the total number of students for each department. Then this command is select count student name as to number of students and department from student group by department. So civil department has 1, CSE is having 4, and mechanical is having 1. Now the next command is to find out to find the total fine amount that is pending to be paid to the library. So for that, we have select some fine from the issue record. It will display 750. It is there. Okay. Then find the total number of cost of books under each category. For each category, we have to do that total number of amount that we have to pay. This is the command select some price from author from book group by author. Software is this, electronics is having this, computer is having 1000, programming is 450, and the cloud is having 600. So these are the questions related to aggregate, filter, and group by and order by function. Thank you.